Hi, I'm Donna from Home Sweet Home Interior Designs. We just finished an awesome kitchen project, me and my team. Let me give you a little tour. Hi, we decided to do a custom bar in the dining room, custom cabinetry, soft closed drawers, quartz. The grout is custom gold tinted. Lighting in the glass doors, fantastic. Cabinets to the ceiling with crown. My favorite, Thermador induction cooktop, it's a must. Silestone quartz. Over here we have panel-ready Thermador fridge. Nobody knows you got a fridge in there. This really cool corner, hidden, is your convection oven. The coffee area doesn't get better than this. Hi, let me introduce you to my team. This is Magic Mike from Franklin Square Contracting. He's awesome. None of this would be possible without him. He's going to tell you a little bit about how we got this beautiful kitchen to the state it's in now.
So we started off with a dividing wall in this kitchen, dividing the dining room and the kitchen with a small entryway into the kitchen space. We went ahead and took down that wall, added some load-bearing beams in the ceiling, flushed into the ceiling so you can't even see them, and created this open floor plan. We also included in this kitchen hidden outlets underneath the island, and as well as hidden outlets underneath the cabinetry. Sonos throughout the kitchen, done by IT Work Solutions. Donna, show them what it is.
You want to make your next project stress-free, an amazing experience with the best results, then you got to use the Dream Team.